So I'm checking out this Model 3 Aero wheel wrap kit by Kenriko. If you remember him, he was one of the early people to sell a wrap kit for the center console. And even before that, he was cool enough to give it away for free for anyone on Tesla Motors Club. So he's a cool guy, and I'm fully supporting him. I was a little skeptical about these at first. I went with the white carbon fiber look. He also sells more of a gray carbon fiber, and he has some more colors coming, but I figured, you know, white car, white wheels, we'll give it a shot. They've really grown on me, and I think I finally figured out why. So if you look at the factory wheel cover, this part is a lighter gray than this part. So to me, it makes the lighter gray stand out more, which is the flat part. So overall, I feel like it makes the wheel look flat. Where these, the lighter part is the spokes, and you start to see more of the curvature and the depth of the wheel. And I think it particularly looks good from an angle. It's hard to show depth in a photo or video, but if you watch the way the light changes as I walk around the car, you can see that it adds depth to it. And I really think it looks even better in person. So here are a few kind of before and after shots of what the difference looks like on a white car. And here are a few more shots in different scenarios. So we have like bright sunny day, we have kind of nighttime around streetlights. And yeah, overall, I really like them. These were pretty easy to install. Kenriko has a very thorough installation video that I'll link to in the description. And I'll also link to his Amazon page where he has the white and the gray carbon fiber. Pay attention to the white though. It is sold per wheel, so you need to order 4, where the gray is sold as a complete set. Don't really know why he did it that way, and that may change in the future, but right now, just something to watch out for. I hope this video helps you decide if this is something you want to try for yourself.